You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn how to pronounce the name of this French politician. Make sure to stay tuned to the channel. André, that's your French pronunciation here, the way it's pronounced in France. André Chassaigne. I know the spelling of his name is a bit confusing. Alright, so let's break it down. Cha, not cha, cha, saigne. Chassaigne. There's no particular stress on any particular syllable, because that's not the case in French. André Chassaigne. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.